Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to post on Substack. First thing you will have to do is to click on this big orange button which says Create. Select Post. Now it will open up this page and you can add a title, subtitle and start writing your post right here. Once you have your post written, you can simply add buttons to subscribe between the text. So let's say place your cursor right here, then click on button and then subscribe. Then go to the end of your publication and button subscribe. When it's all done and you are satisfied, just click on continue. Choose if you want audience to be everyone or only paid subscriptions. Choose if you want to allow comments from everyone or no one. Add and create text for your publication. And this is your social preview. And choose if you want to send via email and the Substack app by clicking this button. And you can also schedule time to email and publish or send to everyone right now. So I will do that for the sake of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.